Alright, YouTubers, I got the Mavic Pro in. I bought these other props, make it quieter, and the battery, it should last longer. These are the same as for the Platinum, the DJI Platinum. And then I got the carbon fiber. Let me get out of this. I got the carbon fiber kit for it, so it doesn't look like that cheap plastic, you know what I mean? Let's go over here. Oh, door's locked. Oh well. Hopefully you'll be able to see. So yeah, it's all it is like a sticker sheet. You gotta put it on. Matter of fact, I could. And then at least it keeps the logos exposed. But other than that, I wanted it to look a little bit different than all the other ones just flying around looking all gray. But at least it keeps its logos on. So hopefully we'll be able to get it up and get some different angles of the Kraton going at it. You know what I mean? So I just got it registered and set the IMU up and some other stuff. So the first couple flights I'm gonna have to see how it works before I do anything. Alright, just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Later.